Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. I'm kind of freaking out because there are a bunch of seals right behind me. Can you see them? Oh my God. One thing about me, I'm always going to find the beach, and I'm always going to find the wildlife that I don't get to see. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. They let me get so close to them. So the seals are over there, and I walked across those rocks. I'll show you the shoes I have on. They may or may not be ruined, but it was totally worth it. And shoes are replaceable. I know when I might have the opportunity to see sea lions that are not in captivity. So a win is a win.